just picked up Blackmagic micro cinema camera. Figured that I should probably get one of these, and had a number of cameras. All I would take video clips of is just some holiday stuff, and that's kind of it, and just pictures of the daughter and the wife, that sort of jazz. Nothing pro, whatever, but the colors on these things when I saw them on the YouTube clips look pretty mental. Well, now here I've got a cheap, nasty Feel World monitor. I bought one of these ages ago, and I don't know, I just thought, well, you know, don't spend too much money, just grab something cheap and nasty, because I have no idea whether it was something I was going to use or not. Now, as it turns out, it is not something that I use because it's been in there for about 12 months. Then, when they brought out the micro cinema cameras, I went, oh, hey, hold on. I could actually have a use for this and finally get maybe a little bit of money's worth. So the idea of this is I now have to convert this into a, yeah, fuck, you see these things? See that? And you can do these things up so tight, and then, you know what, like, things snap. Fucking pain in the ass. And that's one of the big things too. I mean, look at, yeah, you can see, yeah. There's the microphone input right there. Now, it hasn't got any phantom power, so I've been trying to figure out what I'm going to do for an audio option. I have a Rode Video Mic Pro, which I was about to use for this clip until this happened. I don't even know what this came from. I just found it on the bed along with this and a screw, but I figured I can put that. Well, I don't even know where I'm going to put it because I got nothing to mount it on. So of course, drama number one. So I've got to find a rig for this. I've got to find a cage. I've got to find some way to mount that on so that it doesn't do that. That's what I was looking at, but I want to run a wireless mic too. So that way when I'm filming my wife, she can run around doing shopping and whatnot, and she can talk, and then, hey presto, we can get some good audio, and then that way I can talk back to her like that.